All right, now that it is the weekend, a lot of you are probably flocking to the beach to escape the hot weather, and rightfully so. Let's take a look at your beach boating and surf forecast starting out there on the water, where winds will be light out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. The waves are still elevated 4 to 6 feet, some sets to 7. We'll talk more about that in just a second because there is a high surf advisory in effect. High tide tonight is at 11:22 p.m., 5.5 feet. Water temperature is warm, 74, and the sunset is at 7:46 p.m. tonight, which is getting earlier and earlier now. All right, so for the high surf advisory through about 5 p.m. this evening, particularly for the possibility of waves 4 to 6 feet, it's those south-facing beaches that are going to have the larger swells up to 7 feet in some cases. And so with that being said, I want to go a step further, kind of break down your beach-by-beach forecast here as we look at the surf. Starting in far North County, Oceanside Harbor will have some 2 to 3 footers, same with OC Pier. The Rock a little bit bigger at 3 to 4 feet, Tamarack 2 to 3 feet, and Ponto 3 to 4 feet. As we head south, Beacons will have some waves 2 to 3 feet this weekend. Swamis 3 to 4, Cardiff 2 to 3, and Fletcher Cove is going to be about 2 to 3 as well. Look out at Delmar Rivermouth with some larger waves there at about 3 to 4 feet. Finally, in the South Bay and near La Jolla Cove will have 2 to 3 footers. That's kind of the same case all across the South Bay. And near downtown San Diego, Sunset Cliffs 2 to 3 feet, Coronado 2 to 3 feet as well. Over the next couple of days, as those waves start to subside, so will the rip current risk. That's good news if you're planning on swimming in the water. So here's the rip current risk for tomorrow. Notice it is moderate all up and down our beaches and extending northward into Orange County and into LA County as well. So with that being said, you'll want to make sure you swim near lifeguard, but those rips won't be quite as impressive or as strong as we've seen, let's say, yesterday and really throughout last week, which means it is finally getting better and good enough for some of us to get into the water. And take a look at the water temperatures. It's going to be great out there if you're stepping foot, mid-70s. So this is above normal for this time of year off the coast of Oceanside and Encinitas. Water temperature 76 degrees near La Jolla, 74 downtown San Diego, Coronado area, 74 as well. So it's feeling great. If you're getting in the water this weekend, enjoy your beach day and stay safe.